and now we're ready to go home. So if it's the first time watching, remember to give it a subscribe and like and share. Thank you. I just go to make the line and check in. He said it's so cloudy. I'm not even gonna make a line. I'm just gonna go. I thought that you guys use like the same cash like the one who used outside. My passport is this one.机关新有就是要到脏边，然后可以拿出来。现在地方不，现在地方不要去。OK. So this guy is almost picking up. These guys have stressed me out. This is how the airport looks like. And here. So, yeah. It's quite a stressful journey. These guys, they gave me so much trouble. They couldn't allow me to go because I didn't have cash. I only had money on my ATM. And my ATM wasn't working, so I need to figure out a way to change the money. Yeah, so tired. Hey guys, so now I'm walking through the world's largest airport, and I'm so tired, you know. Whew. These guys, they made me lose my temper. The Ethiopian Airlines, you know. Maybe in the future I might not use them because they give me a lot of trouble. They are not of good help. So I need to go now. I'm so tired. And I'm so finished, but I'm happy that I met a new brother. Like as I'm here, and he really helped me out solve my issue. Guys, it's me, Mr. Weekend. I just wanted to show you guys how it feels like to move through the world's largest airport. It feels so cool. Yeah. So I'm going to 42, which is Ethiopian Airlines. Wow, it's so far. And the airport looks so beautiful. I just feel excited to drive through the world's largest airport. Wow, it smells so cool. Hey! Ready to go.
Serenading to sinking moon. is true. Believe that thing you said. No, I don't care where I'm going to. This town's too small. Baby, you
የእናንተን ደህንነት ለመጠበቅ ሲባል በመውጫ አካባቢ የተቀመጣችሁት መንገደኞቻችን ከትልቅ ፕላትፎርም በታች ውስጥ በሚገኘው ካርድ ላይ የተጻፈው መመሪያ መንገደኞቻችን መቀመጫ ቦታችሁ መቀየር ስላለበት የበረራ አስተናጋጆቹን እንድታረጋግጡ በትህትና እንጠይቃለን። እናመሰግናለን።
Okay, we come back to Africa.
so beware of this glowing dream. Baby, don't look back to see your life drifting down the stream. See the star turn black. Morning came, darling, days will come when you're on you. Yes, this love is your song and sound, but it's still true. No, I don't care where I'm going to.
Over your nose and mouth and breathe normally.
It's too small. Baby, you're my burning tower. Now too far. 7 seasons have come and gone, and I'm your slave. But this love is my song and song. That's how you make me feel.
So here we are. Let's try. Give here. It's time for dinner. Bon appetito. And we have some bread over there and some water. Wait for my phone.
Baby, you were my burning tower. Now too far. 7 seasons have come and gone, and I'm your stay.
Hey guys, we're now in Thailand. We just arrived in Thailand. The plane is now full. It's so many people like this. Hey guys, it's breakfast time on the plane. And I have some coffee, some bread, some egg, and some fruit over there. Guys, it's now breakfast time. We have some bread, some Ethiopian coffee. I'm taking it for the first time. And some sausage and egg with chicken and vegetable there. Guys, we just landed in Ethiopia. We're so happy. Ready for the next trip.
ክቡራትና ክቡራን መንገደኞቻችን እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ።
My second
ሀገሩን ሰዓት
song, I need to
አቆጣጠር
find
12
somewhere
ሰዓት ከ10 ነው።
quiet spot now.
ለደህንነታችሁ ጥንቃቄ ሲባል ቀበቷችሁ ታጠቁ የሚል ምልክት እስከምትማድረስ
We just go to Africa. He's here for the first time in Africa.
这个美颜效果有点厉害。
能知道那个样
这都有点不像我。
So I arrived in Africa. This is the plane. It feels so cool. And we're ready to change the plane. Yeah.
下飞机，下飞机。
It's time to go, my bro. Welcome to Africa, which is Ethiopia, and now we're going to go on the bus. This is the bus, the airport bus, like which we are boarding on. So many people everywhere. And we can make this in our can.